What's up, everybody? Today we're going to smash some D10 3-inch nails with this gorgeous Spec Ops 22-ounce smooth face framing hammer. Then we'll yank them out with the Spec Ops 8-inch nail puller. The hammer feels great to hold, comprised of solid heat-treated steel, ballistically balanced, and comes with a rubber mallet cap and a magnetic nail starter. The nail pullers have a nice lightweight design thanks to their skeletonized frame, and they have dual hammer strike zones for some added versatility.